Hello, this is Nathan. This is part 2 of going down the Great Wall, as you can see. And there's going to be a part 3, part 4, and maybe a part 5 anyway. So, and as you can see, part 1, I started up at the, I can't really speak right now. Anyway, I was up at some tower. I can show you when I get down to a part which I can stop and show you. And I want to wait until it levels off. Mom! Okay. And then, yeah. And, I hate you. Anyway, I'm going down and down. Yeah, I want to stop talking for a little bit. Okay, seriously, I have to start talking because this is the only person I can send my thoughts to besides my mom, which is really annoying. And no, this is not Dear Diary thing or anything. That would suck. Down and down and down, down and down and down. Yeah, so watch all my other videos. The Beijing Opera one's pretty cool. Part 1 is cool. Anyway, so wonder what the other parts would be like. Maybe there's only go to a part 3. Yeah, I'm guessing this would only go to a part 3. Oh, racing. Okay. And I'm afraid we'll miss a tour. Well, no, Cherry will miss a tour. If you know who Cherry is, just look in part 1. And yes, his name is Cherry. His real name is Chai, but we just call him Cherry. People also call him jackfruit, peaches, and some other stuff. Sit with a bunch of nice people. Very nice. He was going up while we were going down, so he's going to miss a tour bus. Haha. No, that's actually bad because I like him. He's fun to be with. Take my hat off. Down and down with each agonizing step. Yeah, in part 2, when we started this whole thing, from the beginning of part 1, we were up at this tower. I'll show you. This is the, I already explained that. Very long way. I haven't went the whole thing, of course. I've only went very short, very short distance. This whole thing is 6,000 kilometers. The guy in front of me is talking on the phone. And it's really foggy, or is that smog? I have no idea. This part is called Junongguan, as my mom explained. Mom, stop talking. And oh no, my hat. Can you pick that up? Sure. Okay. Yeah, that's disgusting on the ground. Probably not going to wear until I dip it in water and wash it off. Oh. And I'm going near the part where you can see. Oh, I never knew there were Snickers in China. Anyway, I'm going near the part. If you fell down this, you probably die. Or fell down that way, or down that way. And at the bottom of this, I can stop and show you where I just was. A lot of time on our hands. Here. Anyway, I think that's a recreation town or something. I don't know, but it looks pretty cool. Building. I just want to show you that I spy. 1 second, Mom. I spy a pavilion. I spy a pavilion. Do you see it? Yeah. Okay. I just circled it for you. There you go. You're going to see the whole thing. Oh, for a little while. And this will continue. I already explained that. I am now forgetting things. I feel like I'm going crazy. Crazy. Oh, I wonder why there's holes in the walls. Rain. No. My mom is here with me. I'm moving more freely, so it's hard to count the wiggles. Oh yeah, I think this whole thing's in a big circle. You can see. That is the end of it. Oh! Okay. I almost fell there. If I fell, I would have broken the camera. And I keep thinking I'm going to fall. Hello, lots of random people. Chinese, Indian, I know. Okay, this is nonsense talking. On and on. I'm babbling. Lots of people will be tired. Yes, I am tired. Yes, I am. When you go up here, you get tired really fast because of the light air. Well, light, heavy, I have no idea. Light is very little oxygen. Heavy is too much carbon. Both can kill you. More graffiti. I hate people who do that. Little thing I know. And I'm going down more. Hi, Mom. I'm glad you're still there or not. Anyway. Still going down and down and down and down and down and down. 1 minute, 1 second, 1 minute now. Until the camera stops and it's counting down. So when it said 1 minute, just look at it. Probably wrong. Right, wrong, I have no idea. Right in the middle. Chicken. Yay, bad weather slip hazard. Ramp ahead. Bad weather slip hazard. How comforting. Down and down and down and down. Okay, I think this is no, this is not the end of the stairs. Wait, is this the right way? Mom, I don't think we're going the right way. Oh yes, we're going the right way. I remember that big fat wall. Now I'm slipping. I can't stop. Well, I'm slipping. Finally, I stopped. Okay. More things. People smoking.